Welcome back to our channel. Today we decided to show you how to compress PDF files online. Fed up with file size exceeded errors? Do you want to quickly share important documents with your friends and need to reduce the attachment size? You can easily compress your PDF files into an optimal size with PDF Candy. Let's start compressing. Visit PDF Candy's official page. You can find the direct link in the video description below. When on the main page, the Compress PDF tool is listed first, and you can find it on the top left. Click its icon to enter the tool. Now drag and drop your PDF into the Compress PDF working area or upload a PDF from your device. After PDF Candy scans the file, a preview of its first page will be displayed. Now you can set your PDF compression level. PDF Candy automatically reduces the PDF size by keeping a recommended compression ration once the file is uploaded. This way, PDF quality is maintained without sacrificing too many bits, and compression is kept to a minimum. However, you can select maximum compression if you want your document to be compressed to the max. This will result in the smallest file possible. You're now ready to compress PDF and download your compressed document. Simply click the blue Compress button, download the file, and save the compressed PDF either on your computer or to your Google Drive or Dropbox account. All done! Do you need to make a few more changes to your PDF once it's been compressed? No problem. PDF Candy has you covered. Say goodbye to cumbersome software and hello to simple but powerful PDF tools. With just a few clicks, you can use one of PDF Candy's 47 tools to edit, merge, convert, compress, sign, and secure your documents. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share this video.